Enjoy making this flavorful recipe where we combine buttery cake layers with creamy dulce de leche filling. Start by blending butter and sugar until creamy, then mix in an egg and some dulce de leche. Add flour and baking powder, then incorporate finely ground salted peanuts to create a smooth dough. Chill this mixture, roll it out, and bake each portion to a golden perfection. For the filling, beat dulce de leche with more butter until smooth. Now, assemble by layering cake and filling inside a springform pan, chill to set, and finish with crushed cake crumbs. Check the description for full details.